Welcome back to One More Guru. Today we're looking at the Tao Clean Toothbrush, a gadget designed to take oral hygiene to the next level. The toothbrush itself is impressive. It uses sonic technology to clean teeth effectively, and the built-in UVC sanitizing base helps keep the brush germ-free. The air drying station is a nice touch, keeping your brush cleaner than just leaving it on the counter. A few things to consider. The base is somewhat bulky, and replacement parts can be expensive if you plan to keep the toothbrush long-term. Customer service seems to be the weak spot. Users report slow responses, tricky returns, and occasional warranty issues. That said, the company itself appears legit, and Scam Advisor marks the site as trustworthy. The Tao Clean Toothbrush has been around for years, so it's not some fly-by-night product. Overall, it works as advertised and is a solid choice for anyone who cares about extra hygiene. Just be prepared that support may take some patience if anything goes wrong. This is One More Guru. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more honest gadget reviews and tips.